It's really nice and comfortable and calm out there, and not really dealing with any marine layer clouds along the coast. We're looking towards Santa Monica from Malibu, 71 degrees, so low 70s. That's fairly warm right now. And then when we look at our map, we can see Apple Valley's in the low 70s as well. Palmdale's about 65 degrees. Big Bear's a chilly 46. 64 towards Riverside, 64 also in Fullerton, and then in Redondo Beach we see 64 degrees as well. Later this afternoon, if you're out in the IE, you'll see temperatures about noontime, about 90 degrees, and then going up to the upper 90s, staying below those triple digits. But the triple digits are coming, and that's why there's an excessive heat watch in effect starting Monday through Tuesday. This could possibly be extended into Wednesday, but look at all the red across from Ventura County into LA County and the IE, Orange County. Some coastal spots are going to be spared some cooler temperatures. It'll still warm up though, and that'll be the trend as we watch the low pressure system up here to the north of the west coast, bringing these cooler below normal temperatures today. Then watch this ridge of high pressure as it moves and inches closer towards the west. That's going to bring those warmer temperatures to us. That'll go into Tuesday as well. Then as we get into Wednesday, it goes back towards the east and our temperatures will start to come down. So this heat wave that we're going to be having is just about a 2 to 3 day event. LA, Orange County, 70 forecast. You can see staying in the 80s going into tomorrow, but then 91 Monday, and we see the temperatures going in the 90s. It looks like Tuesday's going to be the hottest day at 95, back towards 90 Wednesday, and then below average Thursday, Friday. So it's, yeah. It's going to be pretty hot in some places. Valleys, Inland Empire going from low 90s to mid 90s, then triple digits Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Some areas will be in the upper 90s, but others can reach about 107, 108 in those coming days. And then Thursday, Friday, look how much it comes down, 90 and then mid 80s by Friday. So we just got to get through a couple of days. Fortunately, this is just about a 3-day event. Beaches, early morning clouds leading into sunny skies. Surf is about 2 to 3 feet. Temperatures in the mid 70s going up to 80 by Tuesday, then back down towards low 70s on Friday. Mountain areas, 78 degrees, really nice weekend ahead of us. 83 on Monday, 84 Tuesday, 85 by Wednesday, so it looks like the warmer temperatures will come later. There is some monsoonal moisture coming on through, so there's a chance of thunderstorms that will increase going into Thursday, Friday. And our deserts, you can see triple digits starting tomorrow. Palm Springs at 113 tomorrow. Temperatures come up to about 103, 115 in Palm Springs, then back down towards upper 80s with that moisture coming through Thursday, Friday with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. But you know, after going through a tropical storm, I think this isn't going to be too bad.
Yeah, I think we've earned some good weather.
What a flop, though.
Wow.
Man, yeah.
Tony, thank you. Let's take a look at some of our headlines this morning.
Now at 5 a.m., 5 people hospitalized after a fight leads to gunfire outside of an apartment building in Pasadena.
Plus, an emotional vigil is in the community impacted by this week's mass shooting at Cook's Corner. We'll show you how the victims are being honored.
And more arrests in connection with a series of flash mob robberies taking place across Southern California. What we are learning about the suspects this morning.
Live from ABC 7, this is Eyewitness News.
It's now 5 a.m. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mark Cutter-Robles.
And I'm Irene Cruz. The investigation continues this morning in Pasadena after a shooting left 5 people hurt. The gunfire erupted after a fight outside the Community Arms Apartments near Orange Grove Boulevard and Summit Avenue. Air 7 HD was over the scene last night. You can see crime tape near a basketball court and a playground. Police have not said if they are searching for any suspects. 4 people were taken by ambulance to the hospital while another person drove themselves there. No word on their conditions this morning.
Tears and heavy hearts at a vigil last night, just days after the mass shooting at a popular Orange County bar. Eyewitness News reporter Amy Powell was there and spoke to survivors.
Hundreds of broken hearts, relatives of shooting victims, friends, and community members, many who formed close relationships with people they met at Cook's Corner, gathering at Saddleback Church in Lake Forest to pray and honor the victims of the horrific mass shooting.
Some of you who were so close to this tragedy, I know in our midst we have John Leahy's family with us and so many people who were impacted in his immediate family. and our hearts grieve with you.
67-year-old John Leahy